Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss introduction of cash book, the most important chapter of your accountancy. Here, as you can see, cash book is the most important subsidiary book in which all cash transactions are recorded. Every business organization depends upon cash. So, cash book is nothing but the most important book of all the subsidiary books in which all the cash related transactions are going to be recorded. Cash book records all cash receipts and all cash payments, and it shows the balance of cash in business organization at any particular time, which means how much cash you have received in the business organization and how much cash you have paid to the parties. After receiving the cash and after the payment of the cash, how much balance left in your business organization, you will come to know by preparing cash book. Here all the cash receipts are recorded debit side of cash book, whereas all the cash payments are recorded on credit side of cash book. So, cash receipts are going to be recorded on the debit side and cash payments are going to be recorded on credit side. There are four types of cash book, such as single column cash book, double column cash book, or you can say two column cash book as well, triple column cash book, or you can say three column cash book, analytical petty cash book. So, single column cash book consists of only one amount column, whereas in double column cash book you have to prepare one more column for the purpose of discount. Sometime when to maintain a long term relationship with the customer, we have to allow some discount, and some other parties also allow the discount to us while buying the goods and services. At the time of exchange of goods and services, sometime we have to give the discount, sometime we have to receive the discount. Because of that discount allowed and discount received, we have to prepare double column cash book, in which we have to prepare two separate columns, discount allowed and discount received in the respective cash book. Whereas the most important cash book out of all these four is triple column cash book. This is the most important cash book, triple column cash book, which is also known as three column cash book, which is also known as cash book with bank, cash and discount column. Triple column cash book is also known as three column cash book, or it is also known as a book or a cash book with cash, bank and discount column. In this book we record all the cash related transactions, which are either might be cash receipts or cash payments. So, this is the most important book. And analytical petty cash book means very tiny petty or very small transactions such as tea expenses, carriage expenses, cartage expenses, printing, Xerox, all these are very tiny or very petty expenses are going to be recorded into cash book. So, cash book plays a key role in accountancy as well as in any organization. So, it is very important to learn about cash book. As I said you, it is one of the most important subsidiary books in which all the cash related transactions are going to be recorded. The debit side of the cash book, we have to write all the receipts of cash. So, we have to record all the transactions what we have received in the name of cash and how much we have paid, we have to write on the credit side. So, the most important cash book is triple column cash book, whereas we have already know that types of cash books are such as simple column cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book and analytical petty cash book.